Hey, how you going? Hey, let's have a look at referencing a goods lift. So what we've got, we've basically got a magnet. So let's imagine that this is on the lift. It's not. This is our test rig at the moment that I'm doing a video via. So as the lift's coming down, there's a magnet. Okay, it's coming down, and it'll see this switch, and it's going to have a bit of an angle like that the magnet picks up on here. So now this switch for referencing, there's two switches here, all right? So there's referencing. The reference will be always on, and it will be the lower of the two switches. So there'll be another switch here roughly, and that's door zone. So when the lift comes into there, this one's activated as well. So this one will go off for a moment when it sees the magnet. So it goes off, then the lift comes back up again. You see me moving the magnet up, and then this light will go off. Now you won't actually see that. You won't actually see it, but you've got to just adjust this magnet. Now, I want to get a little bit more, so I'm hoping that makes sense. As the lift comes down, and we're basically aligning the ground floor so it's pretty much level. Now, it might be a couple of mil here and there. I normally aim for the centre line to be right. But on this job, for the moment, that we're more specifically, it's a 4-stop lift, and there's 2 doors on the other side. But the same methodology happens, okay? And unless this magnet's moved on the other side, then you might need to adjust, or you slide this one down until the other side's working as well. So let's say you've gone down too far, but it works and it looks right on the ground floor, but the other side, when it goes up, it actually might not yet be made. So let's go, it's going up now, gets to the other side, the motor moved, the red motor up the very top, which is driven by the VSD inside the panel, it's actually got a number, so it will only drive to a number. And that means that when we first installed it, the ground's right, the second's right, the third's right, the fourth's right. But it'll all pivot around here. Now the doors won't open if they're not seeing this magnet. So when we move to the second floor, if this wasn't set right and it's stopped and it doesn't see this, then the second door won't see it and won't open automatically. So you've got to make sure that that's right. Now you can always call me 049, or text is best first, with a message to help, 0497 389 848. Upwards and onwards. Thanks. Bye.